my name is Priya and I create videos about makeup, skincare and fashion. और आज की जो वीडियो है वो है makeup for a date night and this is the makeup which I have done for the same. And without further wasting your time, let's get into the video. I'll start by priming my face. So for today, I'm using this primer. And after this, I'm gonna put my foundation. So our elbows. Okay. Okay, so eyebrows are done. And after this, I actually want to dust some powder. Let's start with our eyeshadow. You can see my eyeshadow. I have these many colors, and मुझे सारे colors mix करके use करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I forgot to mention the foundation which I used was this FacesCanada, as you can see. मैं kind of smoky eyes करना चाहती हूँ so that the corner of my eyes are smoky and the inner corners are very light and subtle. Let's start building our colors. I want to use something very light मेरी inner corner के लिए. And for my outer corner, I'm going to start with something which is browner in shade. Alright, I have the color which I want. And अभी भी mid section हमारी आँखों का बाकी है. Try. I'm going to use this brush. What color do I want? Let's go with golden. This is Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. Alright. And इसके बाद I can make this off. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा smudge हुआ है. There's no problem. इसको dry होने के बाद हम ठीक कर सकते हैं. See. तो ऐसी कोई मिस्टेक अगर आपसे हो जाती है सो डोंट वरी, आप इसको हमेशा करेक्ट कर सकते हैं, डोंट फ्लिप आउट। इसके बाद मैं अपने फेस के ऊपर कलर्स डालना चाहती हूँ, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम माय ब्राउन्स। Alright, and now is my favorite part. I love the feeling of having blush on my face. बहुत pretty सा color add करता है आपकी cheekbones पे and I love it. So I'm using the same blush which is there in this packet. This is done, and next comes is our lips. And for our lipstick, what color do I want? I love the look of pink on my lips, so today I'm gonna use this Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte. Alright, my lips are done and it is looking fabulous. To put highlighter on your face is really important. I have to start with your eyebrows. Mascara. So for this I'm using Maybelline New York Push Up Drama. Our face is done. Time to put our hair down. आज का ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा मुझे कमेंट्स में जरूर बताइएगा, और फ्यूचर में आपको इससे रिलेटेड, मेकअप से रिलेटेड, फैशन या स्किन केयर से रिलेटेड किस टाइप की वीडियो देखना पसंद करेंगे वो जरूर बताइएगा। एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो एंड प्लीज कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग।